We're putting that on William's channel.
Hello, this is a video for William's channel, and for once, I'm in it, if this is even a good view.
Show it to me. Show it to me. Well, William will be talking to you.
Mams, you want a lick?
So Cameron, focus the camera on William. And now he's going to be talking to you. So William's going to be talking to you about rodent rights. The rights for rodents. Now keep it on William and William only.
I can't even zoom in. Finding Twitter questions.
Hello, guys. Hello, guys. I'm so funny. I'm so fluffy, you know. Well, hey, guys. It's time to talk about freedom. During these times of the wars of hamsters and Americans, hamsters and humans, us hamsters haven't been doing very well. All of these humans have been doing really well by, keeping us in cages and keeping us prisoners. So my owner's here. Show the camera to them. And Tweetsy. They have been really nice to me, and I've allowed them to keep me as a pet. Now
Temporarily.
we're faithful partners.
Facebook?
Faithful.
Oh, hold on, let me get a tweet.
And tonight, I'm going to let them know that I want freedom from the animals. I don't want to be living in a fucking small hole of a cage. Oh.
Whoa, William, that's some deep language you're using.
Yeah, I know, because I'm going to you balls.
Crap, William.
Okay.
I don't want your blasted food. Now get it off. Holes.
Screw it! Screwdriver.
I hope you guys think that freedom is awesome, and please tell me by commenting below. Wait, how can I do it? Jaden, can you please, point my nose on the ground?
Okay. William, no. Be good.
No. That was not how I thought it was going to feel. Okay.
Yellow. Who you want to pelt it? Too bad. This is wood. I ain't allow you to chew on wood. Screwdrivers.
Okay, guys, that's all I have to say. Now my owner needs to say something.
Hi, William.
Me.
Hi, William.
Well,
Wazoobity
all I have to say is, William, why are you using so bad language to us for? Now, please respond to me in a nice manner. No curses.
Just get me out of the cage.
Close enough. Bye-bye, guys.
Time to have more boredom in life, you piece of... Or you pieces of...